Hello everyone and welcome to the Gunpla Network. As always, I'm your host, The Spicer, and today's episode of the Gunpla Network News is of course brought to you by those fine people over at Canadian Gundam, your one-stop shop for all your Plamo needs in North America. When you're placing your order, be sure to think of us and use your promo code Gunpla Network for 10% off that order. Now, into the news. We have the new announcement of the high-grade Build Divers Re-Rise Gundam Aegis Knight, set to release in August of 2020 for a price tag of 2,530 Japanese yen. Based on the GAT X303 Aegis Gundam from Gundam Seed, the Aegis Knight, as the name would suggest, has a knightly theme to it, changing our favorite red mobile suit from Gundam Seed pretty dramatically. It drops the spikes on the arms and the feet, changes the color scheme and replaces the side skirts, but it still maintains some of that Aegis feel. This unit within the series is piloted by Kazumi Tormachi. We also have the new announcement of the Haro Plug Gundam Base Limited Mobile Haro Gundam Base Color version, set to release in August of 2020 for a price tag of 1,320 Japanese yen. This special limited version of our favorite little mech mascot's steampunk armor comes in that signature Gundam Base color scheme of blue and white, and is also going to come with some stickers just in case you really want people to know this is a Gundam Base exclusive if they weren't aware. We also have the new announcement of the P Bandai Gundarium Alloy 1:144 scale RX-78-2 Gundam, set to release in December of 2020 for a price tag of 220,000 Japanese yen. For reference, that's about $2,000 USD. Bandai Spirits, to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Gunpla, has introduced the metal injection molding system. The kit's exterior armor is fully molded in metal Gundarium parts, and are also provided with fine detailing that represents the RX-78-2 Gundam in a whole new perspective. We also have the P Bandai Master Grade Gundam Sandrock Armadillo, set to release in October of 2020 for a price tag of 6,380 Japanese yen. This optional removable armor for the XXXG-01 SR Gundam Sandrock first appears in the Gundam Wing Endless Waltz Glory of Losers manga. Being packed with extra thrusters, this unit is meant for high altitude jumps and even has optional equipment parts, that would be the Magnak shields, to be placed on the shoulders for extra armor. We also have the new announcement of the Real Grade Gundam Base Limited Unicorn Gundam Perfectibility, set to release in August of 2020 for a price tag of 7,700 Japanese yen. This RX-0 Gundam Unicorn and its perfectibility state from the Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn Perfectibility short movie that would play outside of the Gundam base comes to the Real Grade line, sporting some beautiful blue plastic on the inner frame and all of the effect parts. We also have the new announcement of the Master Grade Gundam Base Limited Faz Verka Titanium Finish version, set to release in August of 2020 at a price tag of 24,200 Japanese yen. The FA010A Faz comes to us from Gundam Sentinel and is a variant of the MSZ010 Double Zeta Gundam. While the unit lacks the traditional transformation gimmick of the Double Zeta due to all the extra armor on it, it did pave the way for the full armored Double Zeta's existence. This model kit has a beautiful titanium finish that is complemented by a mostly white armor design on the unit, so you really are getting a lot of mileage out of that great silver finish. Now for the top 5 builds of the week. In 5th place we have Gaib Habakan Lindiang and his custom Kshatriya. In 4th place, we have Simon Lam and his high-grade Dom Troppen UC version. In 3rd place, we have Forerunner and his real grade new custom. In 2nd place, we have Azat Aziz, or EA Gunpla, and his high-grade Just a Cannon custom. And in 1st place, we have Chris Pablate and his 1/100 Wundwort custom. And that has been it for the news this week. In those comments down below, let us know what you're most excited for. While that Gundarium Alloy has me interested, I can't stop being excited about the Gundam Aegis Knight just because we might get a new Aegis sometime soon. Now, of course, if you like our news, be sure to subscribe and like so you keep seeing these videos pop up, and check out our unboxing, reviews, interviews, lore videos, and much, much more. We're over on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and our own Teespring shop, so go check all of those out, support your favorite Gunpla YouTubers, and of course, as always, keep on building.